just the clink of glass and silence in the air. Whiskey knows my name, but you're not there. I told too many lies under neon light. Now I drink alone through another night. Your picture's blurred by tears I hide. Every sip burns like my foolish pride. Whiskey-stained apologies, they're all I have to give. Words soaked in sorrow for the life I failed to live. If I could turn back time, I'd beg you to believe, but all that's left, whiskey-stained apology. The jukebox hums our favorite tune. It cuts me deep like a silver moon. Every chord reminds me what I lost. Love too cheap came at too high a cost. Maybe someday you'll hear my song and know my heart's been bleeding all along. The bottle's gone, but the pain won't fade. It's a price this lonely soul has paid. Whiskey-stained apologies echoes through my chest. Love's gone cold, but I still confess. Under midnight side, I finally see you were my truth and my tragedy. Empty glass, empty hands, empty me. Whiskey-stained apology. The city sleeps, but my heart stays away. Every whisper of wind feels like her name. The moonlight falls where she used to lay. Shadows dancing where her laughter used to play. I'd light a smoke, but it don't warm my hands. Just like the love that slipped through the sand. The night still calls her name, soft and low. Through every street, the memories flow. try to run away, the night still calls her name. Every day her perfume lingers in the midnight rain. Every drop drips with sweet old pain. I play a song, the record skips in time. Her voice still haunts this heart of mine. I've tried new faces, I've changed my town, but her ghost won't let me lay it down. The silence screams, I hear her sigh. In every dark corner of my sky, the night still calls her name. Clear as tears through faded dreams and passing years. No matter the seasons change, the night still calls her name. And when the dawn begins to rise, her shadow fades, but never dies. The night still calls her name. Cigarette smoke curls up to the sky. Cold coffee sits where dreams went dry. Her chair still pulled out halfway there. Lipstick stains on a cup she left to share. The clock don't move, it just stares me down. Another morning wearing yesterday's frown. Cigarettes and cold coffee, that's all she left behind. Memories and ashes, love slipping out of my mind. Every sip tastes bitter, every drag feels the same. Cigarettes and cold coffee, whispering her name. I light one up, but it don't calm my soul. burns through the silence she stole. Her laugh still echoes through this room, like sunlight fading too soon. I've tried to pour out of my cup, but the taste of her keeps showing up. The smell of smoke, the chill of dawn, tell me she's gone and I'm still hanging on. Cigarettes and cold coffee, morning blues begin. Heartache in my hands, regret on my skin. If love's a fire, mine burned away. Now I just drink my sorrow day by day. Ashtrays full, the cup's still cold. Love's last story, quietly told. Cigarettes and cold coffee. Paper yellow by the years, words blurred by falling tears. I wrote your name 1,000 times between the lines of my foolish rhymes. Each word a promise I couldn't keep. Now they haunt me when I try to sleep. Letters I never sent, dreams I never chased, love I never spoke, time I can't replace. Your name still trembles on my pen. Letters I never sent, again and again. I seal them tight with all my fears, tuck them away through the lonely years. I thought silence would keep me strong, but silence just proved me wrong. Now the ink has faded, but the pain still stays. Each word reminds me of brighter days. If I could send just one tonight, I'd tell you I was wrong, you were right. Letters I never sent, pages of regret, every word in I can't forget. The heart writes true when the tongue won't bend. Letters I never sent, my only friend. words I never said. Curtains close, the night won't sleep. A memory cuts my soul too deep. The scent of her still in the air. I reach beside me, she's not there. The bed feels cold, the room feels wide. I turn around, but she's gone with the tide. There's a shadow on my pillow where her love used to lay. Every night I chase the gold that won't fade away. I whisper her name, but it's just the same. A shadow on my pillow calling her name. The clock ticks slow, the silence hums like the echo of where a heartbeat comes. Every tear paints her face again. In the dark I feel her pain. I've tried to run, I've tried to dream, but she's stitched inside every scene. No dawn can wash or send away. She's the night that always stays. There's a shadow on my pillow where her love used to lay. It whispers I miss you till the break of day. If love's a goal, then I'm still chained to a shadow on my pillow. And her name. Morning light creeps in too slow. Oh, but a shadow still won't go. Love cuts deep where it used to shine. Now I'm bleeding from the ties that bind. She left the ring on the table by the door. Said, baby, I can't do this anymore. I tried to speak, but my voice just broke. Now the air is thick with the words we spoke. I got a broken glass heart, sharp and torn apart. Every piece still shines where love used to start. Can't hold it tight, it'll cut my soul in two. This broken glass heart still belongs to you. Our picture's cracked in its silver frame. Smiles are gone, but the pain remains. Every memory's like a jagged edge, a promise lost on a lover's pledge. I've swept the floor, but shards still gleam. Everyone a piece of a shattered dream. I try to move on, but the scars still sting. Every night I hear that goodbye ring. I got a broken glass heart, bleeding slow and true. Can't touch love without feeling you. If time could heal, I'd find my way to start. But I'm still holding this broken glass heart. Light fades down, the whiskey burns, and my broken glass heart still yearns. Sunlight creeps through the window blinds. Coffee cold and peace hard to find. The radio hums a lonely tune. Empty plate, empty spoon. Your chair's still there, untouched and true. Sunday morning feels colder without you. Oh, these Sunday morning blues. Sunday morning blues. They won't let me go. Praying for let me go. Praying for redemption, only heaven might know. Tears on the table, heart in my shoes. Lord, I'm living with these Sunday morning blues. The church bell rings down the avenue, reminds me of the vows I broke with you. in the pouring rain. But till that light breaks through, every morning feels like missing you. Oh, these Sunday morning blues, Sunday morning blues, they cling to my soul. They cling to my soul. Every prayer I whisper just makes me feel low. Give love salvation, I've paid my dues. Still unhaunted by these Sunday morning blues. Coffee gone cold, but I still stay, hoping your spirit will pass my way. Sunday morning blues won't fade away. I hung up my coat by the door, but her scent still lingers like before. The night's gone quiet since she said goodbye, but her perfume still makes my heart sigh. Every breath brings her closer again. Every note drips with yesterday's pain. She left her perfume on my coat. Now I'm drowning in the smell of what I wrote. Every thread still tells her name. She left her perfume, but I'm to blame. I try to wash it out, but it won't fade, like the memory of the love we made. Her ghost is stitched in the seam so tight. I wear a shadow through the night. That scent was soft like her goodbye, a whisper under a broken sky. If love's a flame, it burned too long. Now her perfume keeps my heart wrong. She left her perfume, but her heart still broke. She left her perfume on my coat. Sweet reminder, I still can't let go. It pulls me back to the words we spoke. She left her perfume and her heart heart still broke. My soul. Smoke from the track fades into gray. Another mile, another yesterday. I packed my heart in a worn-out case, left that small town without a trace. Her goodbye echoed through my soul. Now I'm just a man with no control. Ain't no train back home, the tracks all fade away. No whistle blowing, just the price I paid. She was my life, now I walk alone. Ain't no train back home. The bottle's half gone, the night half kind. Every station's just a ghost in my mind. Love's a ticket you can't return. Once it's gone, you live and learn. I see her face in every town sign, hear her laugh in the rolling line. If heaven's mercy rides these rails, then maybe someday my heart prevails. Ain't no train back home, no way to rewind. The past is a shadow I can't find. Every road I take still leads me wrong, 'cause there ain't no train back home. Stealing smoke, fade in the night. I keep rolling out of sight. Ain't no train back home. Ain't no train back home. Blue light drips from the morning sky, like the tears she left behind. A shadow fades where the sunlight grows, but her perfume still softly flows. The walls remember the words she said. Love ain't gone, it just changes thread. The color of her goodbye was blue, like a promise lost, but still true. It painted my world in shades of pain, and left me drowning in the rain. Her touch still lives in the air I breathe, a gentle ghost that won't let me leave. Every smile she gave, now bittersweet, echoes slow in the empty street. Some colors fade, but blue remains. It runs through my heart like old refrain. If love's a canvas, she took the light and left me standing in the night. The color of her goodbye was blue, soft as a voice, pure and true. No black, no gray, just endless hue. The color of her goodbye was blue, so I paint my pain in shades that cry, still chasing the color of her goodbye.